Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my August 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. Today is day number 6. And I'm using a page map sketch from August 2022, and this is it here. I'll show you a close-up in just a minute. It's a 2-photo sketch, and I'm going to complete it using 2 photos. These are the papers that I selected for my background. I know in the sketch the original had a neutral or plain sheet of paper in the background, but I'm going to use this green gingham just for fun. And then I've got this tiny floral pattern just like in the sketch. I have my 2 photos, and then I have lots of embellishments here. My pile is falling over. I have pieces that I have previously stamped and fussy cut. I have chipboard pieces. There's some of the flowers that I added in. That's some of the ephemera. That's a piece that I had previously cut out, die cut. It was from, I think, my color bin. Can you see that stitching around the edge? More die cuts, more pieces that I had previously punched out with the die or with the punch. I have some of those little frames. I have more ephemera, more bits of flowers. I pulled in this larger piece here. I pulled in this pocket page card. I pulled in these pieces here, 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 here. Yeah, lots of ephemera that I'm pulling in. I pulled in a couple of different washi tapes. I pulled in this alphabet again because I want to try and use that up. And then I pulled in all 3 of my sticker sheets that I have. This one has words, this one has a few phrases left, and this one has some arrows on it. So that's everything I've pulled in. If you will give me a second, I will put something together and I will be back to show you what I have created in just a few minutes. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you what I did not use. I have one of these little tabs left over. I didn't use that. It'll go back into my stash. All of this, of course, will go back into my stash. Neither of those did I use. I did not use any of my sticker sheets. So back into my stash they go. These are the leftover scraps from the papers that I pulled in. This was the background paper, and then this was the floral pattern that I used across it. I have these enamel dots and these epoxy stickers. I did use one from there. I used both washi tapes, and I finished off this set of epoxy hearts, which makes me super happy. I used the alphabets to create my title, you know, but making sure ahead of time that I had plenty of those letters always helps. Remind you of the sketch that I used. This is from August 22, and it's a page map sketch, and here is what I created. I was only going to do the 2 clusters here and here, but I felt like when I put the prizes out here, I needed something extra. So I pulled in another one of those flower images and put it on a pocket page card, the back of the lemon one, and I backed each of those clear ones like this on white, the backs of cards. And if you look at them closely, you can see, like, you can see the dots through there. Well, maybe you can't. There's some dots, gold dots around it, but there's dots behind it, and then the others have some grid behind it. But it works. Here's washi tape across the top here. Here's another washi tape here. My title here. And then I just clustered all the embellishments that I pulled in up in here. Put my pocket page card here. And then that large floral cluster with some more of the smaller pieces. And then more of the smaller pieces. Really, the only thing I added in was this transparent sticker and this floral sticker here. Otherwise, everything else was already what I had pulled in to use on this page. So this one is another one done, which always makes me happy. Anyway, guys, I will have some close-ups at the end of the video, so make sure stay tuned if you want to see those. I will have the other videos that I have created with this kit on my August 2022 playlist, so make sure head over there if you want to see the others that I have created. Anyway, guys, I will be back tomorrow with the final layout for this series for this kit. Anyway, I will be back. And I appreciate you guys being here and watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.